Alright guys, how you doing today? I just arrived to Tukad Cepung Waterfall, as you can see over here, and it's completely quiet here, nobody here, no cars, no nothing, as you saw before. I make a few shots on the parking area, and of course temperature check, and they ask me to wash the hands, and I see over here also is so many places to wash the hand. So this is the new normal into the waterfall. Officially this waterfall is officially open now, so we will see how it is down there. Hello, how are you?
How many people?
Just one.
15.
15?
Where are you from, sir?
From Poland.
Oh, Poland.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
You.
Very busy. Many people, you know.
Yeah?
Many people down. No.
No.
Not many. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. This waterfall is also very famous. Basically, it's the most famous waterfall for the Instagrammers. So every fancy girls who looking for fancy pictures to her his Instagram, this is the place for you, because the waterfall itself into the cave. It's like you're going down to the river, and it's like a canyon, kind of cave canyon, loads of rocks, and the water is very small waterfall, but you're going like inside the cave, so it's very very unique. In this place is also, of course, a lot of warungs, like I said before, and restaurants, but all of them they are closed, so it's no place to have a drink or something. And of course, oops, a lot of stairs to going down, and this is just the beginning. A lot of stairs. I hear some kids or people playing in the water over there. Let's see. I was just passing a group of the young kids, young boys. They were swimming in this river over here, and they are totally naked. Could you believe that? Like totally naked. Nice river. I didn't record them because I believe they were shy, and also I was shy to record them. Normal. I hope so you can see properly. Water is super clean over here, so I really understand this. The kids. This is very unusual view actually nowadays, but yeah. This is the very deep inside the Bali right now, and it's totally no tourists around, so that's how it is. That's actually probably the best time to explore Bali so far, if you can, of course. The only one thing what I'm a little bit afraid is as the water is here actually. I have to go down. Super cool. Yeah. but the only thing what I'm afraid is little bit cloudy now. Usually be here where it's super sunny day is the best effect. However, I'm just doing the YouTube, and however it is, I'm just showing you guys. I'm not doing the fancy beautiful photoshopped pictures on the Instagram, so so it should be fine. I hope so you will enjoy it. So many mosquitoes biting me, and I'm already afraid to going up. I will be so tired like last time. By the way, check this out. I will zoom it for you later. This is the jackfruit. This is super cool. This is the sign going to waterfall. This is the small wee place for praying, and this is the old jackfruit. And here is the first aid. And of course more stairs. You can see behind me, this is the small wee path, and this is beginning of the canyon, the cave, the river. You can go left and you can go right. Going left is the waterfall, going right it's also nice, but it's not a waterfall. It's kind of river and small springs over there. I will show you both. It's a little bit dark over here. I set up my camera to the dark settings. I hope so it will be fine for you. However, the small tip, if you're coming to this waterfall, be careful of the stairs. They are very slippery. The best way to have a flip-flop like I have. Don't come here with the shoe because you have to walk on the river. And the best is if you have a proper shoe to walking on the water, like underneath the ocean or something. That's the best. That's the super cool cave over here. Super cool, like in the game Far Cry or Lara Croft Tomb Raider, something like that. But I have to be careful of my camera, she is not waterproof. And mosquitoes biting so badly. Right, I'm very close to the waterfall. Probably I will don't talk anything close to the waterfall because it's already so loud. I'm not sure if you can hear me properly, so just enjoy the view. Alright, as you can see, this waterfall is super cool, especially the combination of the cave, the nature and the waterfall itself is super cool. And for me, I was here a few times, actually, yeah, many times. And first time I was here in 2017, I guess, so 3 years ago. It was very quiet. And then, like last time I was in January this year, there was so many people, like maybe around 50 people even in this place, waiting in the queue to have a shot with the waterfall itself. But now it's nobody here. I'm only the one, and yeah, that's how it is. I hope so you enjoy it with me. Alright guys, I don't know why, but it's so dark now. I hope so the quality of image is still good. My lens is little bit covered by water, well, it's okay. Now I'm gonna go into this direction, which is the stairs, and after the stairs is the another part of river. I will show you now. Alright guys, it's time to go up. Already I show you how it looks under the waterfall, and in the canyon and in the river and this one and everything. So many mosquitoes bite me already. It's kinda dark, a little bit dark, and you will see how tired I'm gonna be when I arrive to the top.
Yeah. Escucha. Mío en tu habitación, solo los 2 segundos que hay que detener. Porque si no siento tu voz o tu olor, te extraño y te quiero ver. Quiero ver. Tanto me falta. Todas esas noches tan soñadas. Esa mirada, tú tienes pinta de indicada. Me haces falta, bebé. Dime qué tengo que hacer pa' tenerte de una vez, pa' no poderte perder. Dulce, eres mi bombón. Te quiero melocotón. Por ti corro un maratón. Solo de la dirección.
The stairs. The stairs. I'm at the top. I'm already very close to the barrier, and I should make a closing now. But I really have problem with breath. 1 second, I will come back. See guys, was the lockdown for 3 months. You are not allowed to go anywhere. You are not allowed to the beach. You are not allowed to the rice field. You are not allowed to go jungle. You are not allowed to go to gym. You are not allowed to leave your home. You just sit, eat, sleep, repeat. And now is the consequences like this one. Can't go even to the waterfall because I'm tired so badly, and I have like a 35-40 kilometers to go home back by bike, but I will make it, don't you worry guys. However, I would like to say thank you so much for watching today's episode from the Tukad Cepung Waterfall. I hope so you enjoy it. And like always, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoy it. Please like, share, comment. I really recommending you to comment, so the algorithm of the YouTube will help us to bump the videos up to reach the more people. Really so appreciate that for that. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. New video every day, 7 PM Bali time, GMT +8. See you later guys.
Queriendo más amor, pa' mí no es suficiente. Yo quiero tu calor, tú y yo. Con esa conexión somos lo que la gente no ha visto de los dos. Tanto me falta, todas esas noches.